Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best beauty finds on the market, the T.Taio Esponjabon Aloe Vera Soap Sponge. If you're looking for a game changer in your daily skincare routine, then this product is about to become your new best friend. This isn't your average soap or sponge. The T.Taio Esponjabon combines the soothing benefits of aloe vera with the functionality of a sponge, making it the ultimate shower companion. What sets it apart is its ability to deliver an incredibly gentle yet effective cleansing experience. Infused with aloe vera extract, this soap sponge hydrates and calms your skin with every use, making it perfect for those who need a little extra TLC. Now, let's talk about how this soap sponge works. You simply wet it and massage it into your skin, creating a rich, creamy lather that exfoliates and deeply cleanses. The softness of the sponge means it's gentle on your skin, but it still gets the job done, removing dirt, oil, and impurities without irritation. Whether you're washing your face, elbows, feet, or anywhere else on your body, the T.Taio soap sponge can handle it all. It's designed to exfoliate, massage, and leave you feeling refreshed and pampered. This product also excels in versatility. You can use it all over your body, your feet, your face, and even those rough elbows. It's the kind of all-in-one product that saves time and effort while delivering outstanding results. Plus, it's perfect for those who love a good massage while showering, as it provides a soothing touch while you cleanse. What's even better? The T.Taio Esponjabon Aloe Vera Soap Sponge is perfect for all skin types, so no matter your skin's needs, you can enjoy a gentle but effective cleanse every time. The aloe vera helps to soothe and hydrate your skin while working to fade dark spots and acne scars. It's a wonderful option for anyone who wants to rejuvenate their skin and add a refreshing scent to their bath routine. In addition to its incredible benefits for the skin, this soap sponge also has a fresh, invigorating fragrance that lingers long after your shower. It transforms your regular bath into a spa-like experience, and who doesn't love a bit of luxury in their routine? Whether you're looking for something to improve your skincare routine, want a gentle exfoliating experience, or just need an easy-to-use product that combines soap and scrub, the T.Taio Esponjabon Aloe Vera Soap Sponge is the answer. It's an absolute must-have in your bathroom for an effortlessly clean, soft, and refreshed feeling. So, if you're ready to elevate your shower routine, the T.Taio Esponjabon Aloe Vera Soap Sponge is waiting for you. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more amazing product reviews, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.